Okay guys, so we have the suction cup match off. We have a dent because somebody backed into it again in this E46. So we're gonna go ahead and pull this dent out. We have three different cups here. We have a Pittsburg. It's actually an aluminum suction cup. This is a lifter or a dent puller. All these are. This is the Walmart BONDO brand suction cup, dent puller or lifter. Then we have this little guy, and this little guy isn't much. It's for a smaller dent. So what we're going to start off by doing here, we're going to start off by we have some water in our spray bottle here. We're going to start off by going and just wipe it off and clean it, right? It's got some dust on it. We don't want any contaminants on the paint when you do this. So let's see if it's going to work. Okay, so there's a few things you got to know before you use one of these. Just seen there's a bird nest down there between the tire and the fender too. It's easy to hurt your elbow or your arm when you're pulling the dent out. It's also easy to punch yourself in the face. So we have it nice and clean and dry. We're probably going to wet it before we do it. Let's start off with the BONDO brand from Walmart. And this is plastic handle, and these have like a locking mechanism, so when you flip the handle up, it pulls suction on it and locks it. Looks a little bit flimsy. Looks like you pulled on enough, you bust the handles off of it. So let's go ahead and put this baby on mist. Let's go ahead and mist it, and the dent is like right here, right? And it's pretty significant. It's a shallow dent. It should come right out. Let's go ahead and mist a little water on it. Like that. We'll go ahead and mist a little water on the cup too. We're gonna go ahead and snap it on there. Okay, so I pulled that out. It seems like it's not suctioning very good though. Well, it didn't pull that out. Let's see here. And it just popped right back in. Pulled it out pretty good, but I feel like, yeah, look at that. And I feel like this one is barely grabbing that. Grabbed pretty hard that time. It pulled a little further up in here, and that time it pulled it hard enough it won't push back in. Well, yeah, it will. Pop it all back in. Let's go ahead and check out this guy. I have high hopes for this guy. Being aluminum handle and not plastic, I feel like it's gonna last a lot longer. Might be wrong. It really is fairly heavy. It's like painted or powder coated aluminum. Has a little better locking mechanism for sure. Oh, that's like way better. And you have a lot more meat to hold on to too. Thing has quite the memory. I would say this is tremendously better. I think it's actually cheaper. I think that was $9. I want to say this is like $6 from Harbor Freight. And so we have, that's popped out, but we know it'll pop back in pretty easily. Right here, there's a little bit of a crease, and we'll see if this little guy, it's not even a crease, there's just a ding up there. Let's see if this will pull that out. And it's not strong enough. So my end review would be, this is okay if you don't have a Harbor Freight close to you. If you have a big shallow dent, these will only work for that. Now I have the paintless dent repair kit, to take little dents and stuff out. We'll do a whole video on that some other day. I'm gonna say right now, the best bang for your buck is the Harbor Freight aluminum. Now Harbor Freight makes an orange one just like this. It was exactly the same as the BONDO one though. It kind of worked, but it kind of didn't. It was just kind of too cheap to work. But this has some pretty serious beef to it. I'm say if you're gonna buy one of these, definitely buy this guy. And here was the box one more time. The aluminum suction cup lifter slash dent puller, you might say. This is the best bang for your buck that I found so far. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching.